In this video, I'll show you the environment setup that is required for this course. I'll be making use of the MySQL database to teach you SQL. To manage the MySQL database and to execute SQL queries on it, I'll be making use of the popular web-based GUI platform phpMyAdmin, which runs on the top of PHP. We can get all of these things installed on our local system at once with XAMStack. So simply go to apachefriendstore.org and download the XAMStack installer for your operating system. So my operating system is Windows. I will just simply click on the first link. So if your operating system is Linux or Mac OS, you can click on the corresponding links. So once the installer is downloaded, you have to run it. Here, as you can see, I have started the XAMPP installer. This is the setup window of the XAMPP installer. Here I am clicking on the next button. On this step, you have to select the components that you want to install. Make sure the MySQL and phpMyAdmin components are checked, and then click on the next button. Here you have to specify the path where you want the XAMStack to be installed. I will keep the default path here and will click on the next button and will run the installer. Once the installation is done, open the XAMPP control panel. Here you have to run two components, Apache and MySQL. So simply click on the corresponding start buttons. Depending upon the resources of your system, it may take a few seconds to start. Each of these components requires some port to work. For example, the MySQL will be accessible on the port 3306 and Apache server for HTTP and HTTPS access will run on 80 and 443 port. Sometimes you may have port conflicts with the other application and services running on your system. To fix those conflicts, you can simply click on the config button and here you can click on service and port settings. Here you can specify the desired ports for any of the services. So if you are having conflict for the MySQL on this port, you can specify any other port here which will not have any conflict with the other running application or service.